In this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets to rapidly building rapport that will transform both your professional and personal life and relationships. Imagine the power of being able to connect with anyone, anytime, anywhere. No more awkward silences or missed opportunities. Get ready to unlock the key to genuine connection and watch your life and business soar to new heights. This is the breakthrough that you've been waiting for. So first of all, let's dive into why building rapport is so important. First, you see in our fast-paced and interconnected world, the ability to connect with others on a deep level is a game changer. It's the secret sauce that sets successful sales professionals and business owners up from everyone else. Really sets them apart from everyone else, from the rest. When you can quickly establish rapport with someone, you create a trust and understanding that opens doors to new possibilities. People are more likely to buy from people they trust and more likely to collaborate with someone who they have that connection with. People really have to feel like they have that rapport is kind of the first key to the whole sales process. So if you're ready to take your relationships and business to the next level, the art of building rapport is an absolute must. So let's talk about how do we do it. So we start with actively listening and observing the person you're trying to connect with. And then this is where pacing comes in. And pacing is really a technique of rapport. So pacing can be defined as matching or mirroring another person in order to establish rapport. So pacing is one of the most powerful techniques you can develop. And it's kind of like dancing. It's both an art and a science. So the object of pacing should be to secure a connection with your client that sends a deep message that I'm on your side because I'm like you. Pacing is not mimicry. Instead, the behavior complements the other person. So in order to be effective, though, it should be combined with a very specific emotional intent. So the basic rule of pacing is this. You can pace anything you can notice, which is really cool, which makes it a lot of fun. So beyond that, there's a few specific things that you can pace. So you can pace their energy level. Do they have really high energy or are they more low energy? Their mood and attitude. Are they in a good mood or are they in a bad mood? Or do they have a good attitude or a bad attitude? What are some of their beliefs, values, and interests? So maybe you have sports teams, could be a common interest. Vocal qualities, so voice cues. So do they tonality? What is their rate of speech? What's their volume? Are they soft speakers? Or do they speak very loudly? Do they speak quickly like I do? Or do they tend to speak more slowly? And then do they have a lot of pauses in their speech? What's their posture and gestures like? And do they use a lot of hand gestures? Do they have any tapping or rhythmic movements that they use? What's their rate of breathing like? Do they breathe quickly or more slowly? What are some verbal expressions? So we call paraphrasing. So, maybe they say, that's cool, that's cool, that's cool when they get super excited about something. Those are words that you could use back with them. And then truisms. So the weather, sports, maybe there's some, international event that's happening. And then one of the most critical things to remember about pacing is you're using the language they use. So this makes it really cool, really fun, really unique thing to learn. And this is a subtle yet powerful technique, but just remembering that everyone has a different language. And so people need to feel like they're being seen, heard, and valued. And it's naturally going to lead to a deeper connection. So, and if you think about it, people today... if you think about it, this is something that we as humans have done automatically throughout the ages. So when we're in deep rapport with someone, we tend to match and mirror those people automatically. So what we're doing is consciously doing it. So you think about it, maybe two young ladies who are in high school and they're good friends and you see them, out for lunch together and they're both talking really quickly and their heads are both leaned in together. Shows that deep rapport, and they're both speaking at the exact same space using similar hand gestures. These are things we do already. Or you see a couple that's at dinner, and you can see they're in rapport, they're leaned in each other, they're using similar gestures. These are things that we're already doing, we do as humans. We want to do from a business and personal life is just start to consciously take choice and use these things that we're already doing. So I want to take a moment and really think about a recent conversation you had when you felt a genuine connection. How did you match and mirror those emotions? What were some of the words and phrases that you used to create that connection? Now I want you to think about a future conversation you have coming up. How can you apply what you learned to really help that interaction, and practice pacing and notice the difference that'll make? So by practicing the art of pacing, you'll be well on your way to effortlessly build rapport with anyone you meet. So go ahead and give it a try. Start creating genuine connections, and you're going to transform both your personal and professional life. Your success awaits. I want you to follow me for more amazing training videos like this. I've dedicated my life to helping sales professionals and business owners really learn how to build rapport with anyone and all the other skills it takes to be able to generate millions and millions of dollars in sales. By following me, you're going to learn access to even more valuable insights and strategies that will elevate both your personal and professional development. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your success to the next level. Follow me now, and let's embark on this journey together. Now, let me share with you just a few of my key achievements. I'm co-founder of Natural Persuasion Technologies. I'm a certified NLP trainer and coach. I'm also certified in a few other methodologies. And I've literally been able to take those insights and help work with small startup organizations to Fortune 500 companies and help them generate literally millions and millions of dollars in sales as a result. So my expertise and knowledge in this field has been honed through years of experience in developing deep understanding of human psychology. I'm here to share my secrets with you so you too can achieve the same level of success. In conclusion, I just want to emphasize the importance of rapport in our fast-paced and interconnected world. And to me, it's more important than ever now, and it's becoming a less and less known part of human communication. So it's really the key to unlocking endless possibilities in your personal and professional life. So by mastering the art of matching and mirroring, you're going to be able to effortlessly connect with anyone you meet. Take a moment to really reflect on a recent conversation that you had where you felt a genuine connection, and apply what you learned from that to deepen your understanding to your future conversations and watch your connections deepen and soar. Remember, rapport is a skill that can be learned and mastered. Start now and witness the transformation in your life and business. Thanks for watching, and have a great week.